Hello guys, in today's video we're going to explore how you could promote your CPA marketing offer with the help of this particular platform called the Quora ads. And guys, you could actually take advantage of this to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers right now, even as a beginner in the year 2023 and beyond. So guys, just make sure you do stick on and watch this video right here to the end and learn this exact same strategy. So without much introduction and much delay of time, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So guys, the first step which you actually have to do as usual is to get a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote. And you can actually use any CPA marketing platform out there. You could make use of the offer vault right here which you could see on the screen, or you could just simply make use of the CPA Grip or any other CPA marketing platform out there. And guys, if you don't have an account on CPA Grip, you could just simply click on register, where you'll be brought to this particular page right here. Just simply go on to filling out this form, and if you successfully do fill out this form appropriately and focus more on the section that are actually having these red asterisk signs, you can then go on to reading the terms of services, then agreeing to the terms of services. And guys, if you do click on register, your account should be created almost immediately. Then you can then log into your account and gain access to your account right here. As you can see, you could just simply go on to clicking on offer tools and my offers to go on to selecting CPA marketing offers to promote. You could see right here that these offers which I'm being shown right here are actually offers to this particular demographic called this Nigeria right here. I could go on to filtering the offer to any demographic of my choice. Maybe I want to use the United States. I'm going to select the United States and I'll be shown offers available to that demographic right here. I could scroll through and select an offer which I want to just simply go on to promoting. Maybe I could just simply promote this offer right here, which is actually kind of a giveaway offer or a sweepstake offer, which you could actually spend $750 towards your summer style. You could see more details to the offer right here. There is an Apple iOS offer, also an email and zip submit offer. The payout to this offer is $2.31. Here is your unique affiliate link which you could copy and actually start promoting this offer. So guys, to promote this offer on Quora ads, you just want to go onto this website called business.quora.com, and if you head onto this platform guys, you are actually on the Quora ads, and you can then go on to maybe logging into your account if you do have one account right here. If you don't have an account, just simply create one, and it's quite easy to create. Once you actually do that, you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. All you have to do right now is to go on to creating a campaign. So click on new campaign right now and you can actually begin creating a campaign. Once you actually do come right here, you want to put in the campaign name right here. I'm just going to put in something like CPA offers. And right now guys, you want to select the objective of your campaign right here, whether it's for traffic or for conversions, for video views, awareness, lead generation, or app installation. So right now guys, since it's a CPA marketing offer, I'm going to select the lead generation right here. So you could actually come right here and fix in the amount for your budget. So if I do come right here, I'm just going to fix an amount of my budget. Maybe if I do have want to run this ad right here for about 10 days and I want to be using a budget of $100, I'm just going to put in $10 budget right here. That is actually going to run for 10 days. As they have actually put in my maximum daily budget. So guys, you could actually do come right here and set a start and end date. You want to run this for about 10 days. You're going to put in the start date of today or tomorrow right here. You can actually go on to putting in the time, put in the end date right here, which is 10 days later. That should be 28 right here. So actually, if you put in the start and end date, you can actually put in the time right there which you want to use for this particular offer. So guys, once you are done with this section, just simply click on continue and you'll be brought to the next page where you just simply have to name your ad set. You want to give your ad set a name right here. I'm going to leave it as the lead generation ad set right now. You will be able to see the summary right here of your settings in this particular section. You want to just simply select the location which you are targeting, and I'm just going to go on to selecting the United States right here, which is a country. Once I select that guys, I could actually exclude locations or include locations, but I'm going to leave it on include locations, and I want this ad to be promoted to only the United States. You could select the type of gender which you want, and I'm going to leave this on all genders. You could also come right here and select either the contextual, the audience, the behavioral, or broad right here. So depending on the type of traffic which you actually want to get, you can see that here that the contextual, you can target specific topic, keywords, or questions where your ad will appear. For the audience, you can actually show ads to audience that match a web traffic lookalike or contact list. For the behavior, you can target users based on their interests or retarget them based on their Quora search history. And right here for the broad, you can actually do go on to showing that to a wide audience right there. As you can see, for the contextual, you actually have to go on to searching for topics, for keywords, and for questions which you can actually use to get individuals that are actually related to that particular niche. You can actually use the audience where you just need to target some specific type of audience. For the behavior, you need to actually do target some type of behavior or interest. But for the broad right here, you can actually go right ahead straight away. You could add in questions which you want to use right here to target, or you could exclude questions right there in that particular section. So edit that based on your preference. For the placement, I'm going to leave that on all placement. For the device right here and browser, you can actually leave that on mobile and desktop right here, as it is right here in this section. For this section which says the bid, you want to put in the amount right here for each bid, and you can see right here the suggested bid is about $0.5 right here. I'm going to leave it on that, and you could actually change the bid model right here, whether the cost per click or the cost per million right here, and you can actually see other bid models right here. So I'm going to leave that on the cost per click, and once I'm done, I'm just going to click on continue. And if I do that right here, guys, this section I'm just going to go on to selecting or editing my ad right here. As you can see, I have 2 more sections to go through. When I actually go on to editing my ad, I want to give my ad a name. I'm just going to leave the name as it is right here. For the media type right here, you could actually use an image ad where you can actually stand out on Quora text-based platform. You could use video ad, you could use text ad, or you could promote with an answer right here. So I'm just going to leave that on the image ad right here. You could come to this section which says creative and actually go on to editing your creative. You could edit the business name. As you can see the name right here, which is called success statistics. You can actually go on to maybe editing the headline sentence, which is this sentence right here, which says we are looking for a strong machine learning expert. Edit that particular section based on your preference. I can just simply type something like need to change your clothing style, and you can see how it looks right here. For the body text, you just want to go on to type in something that's actually related to that particular post. As you can see right here, I'm just going to go on to adding a question mark because it actually asks for that. You can see right here this section which says the body text. You could add in a cool body text right here. There's actually a call to action for that CPA marketing offer. You can see the call to action right here. You could select any one of these which says learn more, get the app, apply now, book now, contact us, donate now, download, shop now, sign up, and a lot more right here. Okay guys, to actually do this right now, you could just simply select any one of your choice right here. So I'm just going to select the apply now right now. This section which says image, you could upload an image for that particular CPA marketing offer. I'm just going to come right back to CPA Grip, download this image, save the image on my device, and actually once I just save that image on my device, I'm going to head back to Quora right here, click on choose image, and actually do go on to uploading this particular image via that section. And once I actually do upload that image, guys, you'll be able to find out that that image will be uploaded for that section. For this logo right here, as you can see, the logo was rejected. I could just simply go on to editing my logo right here and applying that in this section. Click on plus, and you want to just simply use a logo for that particular section. You can see how the preview actually looks like in this particular section. This is how the desktop preview is going to look like. For the mobile preview, click on that, and that's how it's actually going to look like. So once you're done with that, guys, you could put in your target URL, which is the URL which you plan on driving a lot of traffic to. So I'm just going to come right here, copy the link to this particular CPA marketing offer. Once I copy the link, I'm going to head back to Quora right here and paste in that particular URL right here in this section. So you could add in multiple URLs right here, but I'm going to go on to deleting this particular section. So for the lead generation form, you could go on to editing your form how you want it to be. You could click on create a lead generation form, edit this form right here, from form name, from offer headline, and a lot more stuff right here. Edit that based on your preference, and once you're done with that, guys, you're actually done with this particular section. Then you then want to just simply move on to the payment section, pay for your this particular ad which you want to run right here. That is fund your account right here. And once you fund your account, you can then go on to reviewing the ad before you can publish this ad right here, and your campaign will begin to run, and you'll be able to drive traffic to such CPA marketing offer. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, why not go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.